All right, let's go wash the engine bay on my wife's Mustang. I can see the comments now. Sprayed it down. Not that dirty to begin with, so sprayed it down with S100. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna hose it off. Didn't scrub it, didn't do anything. Same thing I do with all my engines. Now I know there's a couple of you guys saying I should have covered up the computer in here and stuff like that. I think we're going to be okay. Yeah, I'm taking a risk. I'm not going to use high pressure though. I know a lot of you out there use high pressure. I'm not using high pressure on anything. Yeah, I am liberal with the S100. What I do with the S100, and the reason I can be liberal with it and not really worry about it too much, I actually dilute it. I dilute it half and half. I got 2 spray bottles, and I put half of the new bottle in one, and then I add water to the other half of it. Still, even though it's diluted by 50%, it still works pretty damn good. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Pull the camera back here, and I want to hit this down with some light water pressure. All right, on this vehicle, before I attempt to start it, I'm going to blow off all the electrical connectors. So you want to use a low pressure, air pressure. You don't want to push the water into the connector. You want to kind of blow the water away from the connector. And that's it. Now listen, I know a lot of you are saying, oh, you should have covered this up, you should have covered that up. You don't think they took into account that this stuff might get wet? It's a vehicle, it's a car. It's going down the road 70, 80 miles an hour in the snowstorms, in rainstorms and stuff like that. Water's going to get into this compartment. Yeah, it might not be as bad as what I just did, but water's going to get in here. You know, I think they took into account all of that. Now, to be safe, I like to blow off all the connectors, and just to make sure the water, you know, gets away from the connectors before I start it. That's all. I haven't had any problems with the vehicle washing the engine. I don't do this every day, obviously. I think I wash the engine compartments once a year on my vehicles, and that's it. I got too many vehicles to be messing around with. You know what I'm saying? To be doing this every week and shit. I do one good, complete cleaning throughout all the vehicles once a year, and I'm done with it. Never had an issue. I mean, if you feel differently, go ahead, put it down in the comments. Be more than happy to hear it. And yeah, you know what? To be on the safe side, like being super safe, you might want to cover up like the mass airflow sensor with a piece of aluminum foil. You know, maybe the computer. That's up to you. I'm not doing it. I'm happy with that. This is not a car that's going to a show. They do sell some products on the market if you want to shine your engine up and crap like that. You know, that's great if you're going to go do a car show, but I'm not doing a car show, and I'm not spending the money to shine up the underhood, or underneath the hood, the engine compartment. So I'm happy with that. That is it.